Our 24-inch natural gas char broiler. First off, the overall dimensions. Length, we're looking at least 23 3/4, with a depth of 25 1/4 inches. Overall height, we have 15.5 inches with legs. Without the legs, we have at least 11 3/4 inches tall. Measurements for the char broiler will be 23.5 inches in length by 18.5 inches in depth. Plates can be removed for cleaning, and the length for each plate will be 6 inches by 18.5 inches in depth. Your right side will be the waste and oil drain, and the bottom are 2 burners, oil and waste tray. And coming to your corner will be your ETL certification, along with the natural gas information. And on the back, the black pipe for gas. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.